Hello everyone. It's been a while. So, I probably shall introduce myself. My name is Elizabeth, and this is Tangoing in the Kitchen. In this channel, we cook together. We learn how to cook pasta, or how to make a quick egg burrito, I wasn't expecting this, but oh well. So, I was saying, we learn how to make a quick egg burrito, and also we learn how to make the best coffee ever. But I'm a bit biased. So you want to learn how to cook, or you're trying to you're trying to decide what to cook for dinner, for lunch, or quick breakfast, this channel is for you. So, right now, I'm going to finish my burrito. So if you want to learn how to make this, hit that subscribe button. See you soon.